Welcome back to Dad and I How To. Today we have some beautiful blinds that we're gonna replace and put in this window right here. These are cordless blinds, 35 inches by 64, in color espresso. By, who do we have? Home Decorations Collections, which can be found very conveniently at your local Home Depot. So what we're gonna do today is show you step by step how we put up our blinds. Although it may seem like an easy task, it actually is, and you can do it yourself. So stay tuned and watch how we get it done.
Hi, this is Daddy and Daughter, and this is our 10-minute blind installation. First, we're going to take down the old blind, which of course is easy. They're going to pop right out.
Oh, that was easy.
Then, we're going to drill this out with our drill. And try to have a drill like this. It makes it much easier to install anything. So.
And what is that piece called that you're undrilling?
That's a bracket for the old blind. That's what that piece is called. So now we've got that one out. The next thing is, and we said 10 minutes, and it's going to be 10 minutes, but do not use the screws that come with it. It's my suggestion to you.
Are they not as strong?
They're strong, but they're usually stripped in the front, then you're back doing the same thing again. Well, these look pretty good, but I traditionally use
Your own.
my own screws. I use small, called sheetrock screws, and that usually works for me better. Where did I put those at? Okay. So I use these screws here, okay? You can use a smaller one, but they're easy to work with because the depth is much better for your drill, okay? So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna drill this bracket right at the top here. We do not make a big deal out of this because it's not really a big hard job to do.
And how much does this job usually go for if someone comes to install?
Well, somebody's basically might charge you up to $25 a window. Okay. But in this case, it costs them nothing because we're doing it ourselves.
DIY. There you go.
Okay, and
Have you measured this, or do you just place it where it was?
I place it one on one side and one on the other side. That's how I do it. And that's how you should do it at home. Okay? Now, that's one bracket. Because what happens is, this just snaps in. It's very, very simple installation.
And then once it's done, it's done.
On the other side, do the same situation.
We apologize for the noise. You know, we're getting work done throughout the house.
Alright, so we go back here. And we'll have to put another screw on the other side. Let's make that clear. It's not a one screw job, it's a two screw job.
For each bracket?
For each bracket, correct. Zip, zip, zip. Okay. And we'll go on the other side with the other screws as promised. And this will be titled the 10-minute blind installation.
Looks like we're at 5 minutes.
Good for you.
So, that being said, we're almost done.
Okay.
Perfect.
And we should be able to pop this in right away.
facing. How do you know that?
Because the handle to turn it is there.
Gotcha.
Okay. So, we're gonna get up. We're gonna put the blind
Underneath.
in position. Underneath the clip, you have 2 clips.
Oh, this matches perfectly with the frame as well.
Yeah, that's why we did this and used this color. Okay, and we should pop right in like that on that end.
Is it secure?
Oh yes, it is. And we're gonna go on the other side and do the exact same.
Oh wow, it matches perfectly.
And that's because old Dad here. And there's your initial blind installation. And wee.
Dad, I think you lied. It was only 6 minutes.
Well, we have to put the wand in.
Okay.
So we have to pick wand time. And the wand goes right in.
Where that hole was, that's how you know which direction to take it.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, this is beautiful.
And there you go.
Cool, so you just hook it in there.
Hook it in there.
Can we close them so we can show them what it looks like?
Sure we can. There we go.
Ooh.
And I think we have a much better look
Than what we had before. We should have did a before and after, but it's okay.
Okay. There you go.
Well, on the record, guys, this took us 6 minutes and 30 seconds. And you can do it too, right?
Very simple. Just follow my instructions, step by step, and we'll see you next time on Daughter and Son.
Dad and I.
Dad and I, the
How-to.
how-to 7-minute blind installation.
See you next time.